Good morning students, welcome again here in this video tutorial. Myself Nashima Khan and students, all of you know that I am explaining chapter number 11 of class 4th Social Science Forest of India. I have already explained about natural vegetation in my previous video tutorial. You know beta, what do you understand by natural vegetation? A forest is a large area of land covered mainly with trees and other small plants. So, these trees are not planted by humans but grow naturally in the region. So, they are therefore called natural vegetation. And the kind of trees or other plants that grow in a forest depend on the climate and the soil of the place. From forest we get many useful things also. Just like soil, forests are also an important natural resource. Yes, and some of the important products we get from forest are just like timber. From where we get timber? Yes, from forest, firewood, wood pulp, rubber, gum, and even medicine also from trees. Yes, we get medicines also from trees such as neem. And forests are also useful to us in other ways also. Just like forests prevent what? Soil erosion, and they control floods also. Forests and the trees supply oxygen to the air, and they increase rainfall by keeping the air cool and releasing water vapor in the air. Now students, let's continue our chapter with topic types of forest. Which topic? Types of forest. The area under forest and India. Yes, we are talking about our country, our India. Yes, the area under forest in India has been decreasing as we cut down trees to claim land for farming. Nowadays, we are cutting trees. Yes, we are cut down the trees to claim land for farming. Nowadays, आपका क्या हो रहा है? फॉरेस्ट का मेनली क्या हो रहा है? आपका कट हो रहे हैं फॉरेस्ट. फॉर व्हाट? वहाँ फार्मिंग होने के लिए, एग्रीकल्चर के लिए, लैंड बनाने के लिए, हाउसेस बिल्ड करने के लिए मोस्टली हम लोग क्या कट कर रहे हैं? फॉरेस्ट ही कट कर रहे हैं. Less than 1/4 of land in India is presently covered with forest. Nowadays, how much? Yes, 1/4 of land in India. I'm talking about our country, India. So, less than 1/4 of land in India is presently covered with forest. There are 5 main types of forest in India. How many main types of forest? Yes, there are 5 main types of forest in India. Again, just look at here, student. How many main types of forest in India? Yes, we found 5 main types of forest in India. Number 1, evergreen. So students, now let's come here. The number 1, evergreen forest. Which forest? Evergreen forest. Evergreen forest, you know what beta? They are so dense that sunlight does not reach the ground. काफ़ी dense होते हैं और even sunlight भी जो होती है वो पूरा आपका reach नहीं कर पाती. Where? On the ground. Evergreen trees lose their leaves continuously and not all at once. New leaves replace the leaves that become old and fall. So, trees in these forests remain green throughout the year. इट मीन्स आपकी जो एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट हैं उनकी जो लीव्स होती हैं वो कंटिन्यूसली फॉल होती है, एक साथ नहीं होती, नॉट ऑल एट वंस. न्यू रिफ्लीज टेक्स प्लेस द लीव्स दैट बिकम ओल्ड एंड फॉल. जो न्यू लीव्स होती हैं वो क्या होती हैं आपकी, रिप्लेस करती हैं लीव्स को और उसके बाद ओल्ड होती हैं देन फॉल. सो दैट्स वाई, दैट्स द रीज़न trees in these forests. Which forest? Trees in evergreen forest remain green throughout the year. And they shed their leaves at different times of the year. बट यस वो अपनी लीव्स को जो शेड करते हैं वो डिफरेंट टाइम्स ऑफ द ईयर करते हैं, एक पर्टिकुलर उसमें नहीं. देन रोजवुड, इबोनी एंड mahogany are some evergreen trees. Which one? Just look at here again. Rosewood, ebony and mahogany are some evergreen trees. Evergreen forests are found in warm areas with plenty of rainfall. Where we found evergreen forest? Yes, we found evergreen forest in warm areas with plenty of rainfall. कौन से एरियाज जो वार्म एरिया है एंड विच रिसीव हैवी रेनफॉल? व्हाट दे रिसीव? विच एरियाज? दोज एरियाज विच रिसीव हैवी रेनफॉल एंड warm areas. In India, they are found on the slopes of the Western Ghats. Which Ghats? Yes, these types of forests are found. Yes, these types of forests are found on the slopes of the Western Ghats and in the northeastern states of India. Which? Yes, again look at here. Western Ghats and in the northeastern states of India. Such as which states? Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya and Tripura. Which states? Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya and Tripura. Just look at here. Look at the picture here. So, evergreen forest, Silent Valley, Kerala. ये आपका evergreen forest की एक pictures given here. So, which forest? Evergreen forest and where? Silent Valley in Kerala. Now student, let's come here. Our next forest, deciduous forest. Which forest? Deciduous forest. Trees in these forests shed all their leaves for some time during the day and hot summer season, in warmer climate of winter and cold climates when there is scarcity of water. It means जो इस फॉरेस्ट के ट्रीज होते हैं वो अपने जो लीव्स को शेड करते हैं. वो कैसे करते हैं? एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे, यस सम टाइम, एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम होता है इनका लीव्स को शेड करने का. जस्ट लाइक यू कैन से दैट ड्राई एंड हॉट समर सीजन. ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई एंड हॉट समर सीजन है इन वार्मर क्लाइमेट्स में, और विंटर में है तो इन कोल्ड क्लाइमेट. सो जब क्या हो जाता है, वाटर की स्कैसिटी हो जाती है वहाँ. एंड यू नो दे आर नॉट सो डेंस, वो काफ़ी डेंस नहीं होते क्योंकि एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम में ही एक साथ ही वो अपनी सारी लीव्स को शेड कर जाते हैं. सो दीज फॉरेस्ट आर फाउंड इन अ लार्ज पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री. हमारी जो कंट्री के लार्ज पार्ट हैं उसमें ये आपकी फॉरेस्ट इजली यू कैन फाउंड. Examples of deciduous trees are. Which examples? Yes, examples of deciduous trees are teak, sal and shisham. Which one? Teak, sal, neem and shisham. You know, sal also, teak tree, peepal tree, neem tree and shisham also. And you know what? Deciduous forests are also called monsoon forest. Which forests are also called monsoon forest? So, deciduous forests are also called monsoon forest. Now, student, let's come here. The number one, thorn forest. Which forest? Thorn forest. These forests are found in areas with very little rainfall. जिस आपके एरिया में बहुत लिटिल रेनफॉल होती है वहाँ आपके विच टाइप ऑफ फॉरेस्ट? थॉर्न फॉरेस्ट. शॉर्ट एंड थॉर्नी ट्रीज सच एज कीकर एंड बबूल एंड थॉर्नी शर्प्स ग्रो इन सच फॉरेस्ट. आपको पता है कैसे आपके वहाँ के ट्रीज होते हैं? शॉर्ट एंड थॉर्नी ट्रीज होते हैं सच एज कीकर एंड बबूल. विच वन? कीकर एंड बबूल. एंड थॉर्नी शर्प्स ग्रो इन सच फॉरेस्ट. Thorn forests are mainly found in Rajasthan and in some parts of Deccan Plateau. आपको पता है राजस्थान में कम लिटिल रेनफॉल होती है, so we can easily get or we can easily found in these types of trees in Rajasthan and where? In some parts of the Deccan plateau. Where? In some parts of the Deccan Plateau. The number 4, mountain or coniferous forest. Which forest? Mountain or coniferous forest. These forests are mostly covered with tall and cone-shaped trees. Which type of trees? Yes, tall and cone-shaped trees with needle-shaped leaves. पता है कैसे फॉरेस्ट होते हैं बेटा? टॉल एंड कोन शेप ट्रीज होते हैं. उनकी निडल शेप जो क्या होती है? लीव्स होती हैं. जस्ट सम ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल्स आर फिर, पाइन, spruce, deodar and oak. Coniferous forests are found in the Himalayan region. Which region they are found? Yes, these types of forests are found in the Himalayan region. Which region? Himalayan region. Next one is marshy and tidal forest. Which forest? Marshy and tidal forest. These forests are found in the deltas of rivers such as Ganga, Mahanadi and Godavari. All of you know that कि हमारी जो मेन रिवर्स हैं वो डेल्टास बनाती हैं. तो उस डेल्टा में मोस्टली आपके कौन से फॉरेस्ट आपको ईजिली फाउंड होते हैं? मार्शी एंड टाइडल फॉरेस्ट. विच फॉरेस्ट? मार्शी एंड टाइडल फॉरेस्ट. सो दीज टाइप्स ऑफ फॉरेस्ट वेयर? यस, rivers, deltas of rivers such as Ganga, Mahanadi and Godavari. The marshy forest in the Ganga delta is known as Sundarbans. Yes, the marshy forest in the Ganga delta is known as Sundarban. After the sundri trees that grow here. Which after trees? Yes, after the sundri trees that grow here. So student, just look at here. Some pictures are also given here. Sal trees in a deciduous forest, Jharkhand. Which trees? Sal trees. And which forest? Deciduous forest. Now let's come here. This one. Kika trees in thorn forest. Have you? Just look at here. Which tree? Kikar tree. And which forest? Thorn forest. Now just look at here. Which forest? Yes, coniferous forest. Just look at the trees. Yes. Which type of trees? Yes. Fir, pine, deodar and oak. Just look at here. Picture also again given. Which forest? Tidal forest and Sundarbans. Yes. Which one? The marshy forest in the Ganga delta is known as Sundarbans, and after the sundari trees that grow there. One important thing also here. Did you know? 5,000 years ago. How much years ago? 5,000 years ago, forests covered over half the earth land. अगर हम पूरी अर्थ की बात करें, अर्थ के लैंड की, so 5,000 years ago जो है पूरे फॉरेस्ट हाफ ऑफ द अर्थ लैंड को कवर्ड करते थे. बट today they cover about 1/3 of the earth land. But now कितना कवर कर रहे हैं वो? 1/3 of the earth land in India. Now let's come here. I'm talking about our country India also. This one, today they cover about 1/3 of the earth land. Yes, all over the world, all over the earth. अगर हम पूरा all over earth की बात करें तो how much? 1/3. And what about India? In India, forests cover about 1/5 of the land. How much? Yes, in India, forests covered about 1/5 of the land. So thank you all of you. Have a nice day ahead.